of Kala Academy, TAG, all theatres, those who participated in Group B competition. I'd like to thank all of you for agreeing to associate with the Times of India, and the Times of India is always pleased to be associated with the Theatre Academy and the Theatre and the Kala Academy and the Theatre Fraternity. We've been associating with various theatre fraternity in villages and in various groups to promote theatre in the newspaper. We've been writing a lot of articles on the significance of theatre. It's a learning experience for all of us at the Times of India, and we have seen that we enjoy the performances done by all of you. Like whenever I talk about theatre, I've been also attending a few theatres here and there whenever possible, quietly and silently, to enjoy it, because I find that it's so beautiful and it has got so much depth and so much talent amongst you. It's a pleasure to watch all of you perform, always. And I'm very fond of Konkani music. I'm very fond of the dialogues that happen in theatre, personally also. And I try to follow. I understand Konkani very well. I cannot speak it fluently, but I can understand every word that is spoken. And I'm learning Konkani also. I'm trying to learn to speak better so that I can have the confidence to speak on stage in the future. Right now I don't have the confidence, but I can speak a few words like Dev Bore Kare, and then I have another sentence I speak in the office. Ave tuka sangrale tu te kele. So like that, I'm learning like that. Then I'll say, Sokolge, Uirge, because when you're drawing the pages in the newspaper, I will tell them where to take the story or where to take the picture. I say, a picture Sokolge, a picture Uirge, Sokolge. So I tell them. So I keep listening to what they are talking and I learn. And then I go to every part of Goa. I also understood very well Goan politics, Goan food, Goan culture, Goan music. It is so beautiful, so rich. And then, I came to Goa in 2010 December. That was the first time I came. And I did not know much about Goa because I'm actually, according to others, I'm a misfit for Goa because I do not drink, I do not eat non-veg. So when they put me in Goa, everybody is wondering how the fellow who drinks milk comes to Goa. So, but I know that in which restaurant, in which part of Goa you get which non-veg food which is good. Where fish is good, where lamb is good, where chicken kafrial is good. I will tell you, all my friends I keep telling them, go here and eat this, go here and eat that. So they tell me, Srini, you never eat a non-veg, but how do you know that is good? But I say, I have my friends in Goa who tell me that this is good. So I then remember it and then tell them. So one of the very good traditional Goan food is available in a place in Nerul called Batti village. So I have been there. And the husband-wife couple prepare that Goan food. That's all, in a house, and they serve it very beautifully, very lovingly. The Goans are very loving people, and we are trying to capture the Goan essence in our newspaper. And what better way than theatre? What I felt, and so we are very, very happy to be associated with the Kala Academy to give away participating certificates to all of you. And thank you for giving me this opportunity. Dev Bore Karo.
Thank you, Sir K.R. Srinivasan.